Precious one, it is with great joy and excitement to come your way once again. You are welcome on GH Health. If you are new on this channel, I'm Derek Kofi Mabaso, a registered general nurse. And on this channel, we talk mostly about nursing topics. So if you want to join this family, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribed. And we will try as much as possible to reply all your comments personally on this video. I have missed you all. I know that most of you are done with your interview. Congratulations to you all. And I'm still aware that some of you are yet to go for your interview. I wish you all the best. May the grace of God be with you all. And those of you who are done with your interview, I will encourage you to leave a comment highlighting some of the questions which you were asked so that it could be of help to next applicants. It could be next year, next 2 years. So I'm pleading with you to kindly share with me some of the questions which you were asked so that it will be of help to our next batch. It is my prayer that you all pass out successfully. If you are done with the interview, kindly have faith that you are going to pass. I will always remember you in prayers. It is my prayer that you come out successfully. May I always say, if you want a interview or a kwaba, I worry. May we show you now correlation. And if you also a faith now, good luck. See, I have a say, what come interview about? Share with me some of the interview questions. I will comment section. Na abua oma beko. Na afei so abua oma next batch of nursing applicants. And to say now when you can type school now call anything. Na afei no questions na follow. Yefa say dia ko Fomena community nursing school. Obetwa so Fomena na asie no one list interview questions no. Abeboa omo ombeba etwe no. Na I am very easy among. I am there. Some now beba into nursing. Who want nursing one? You will numerous benefits. The person now moba now benya sa benefits in it. Bianca na come to your interview no pass here we. Me send them a lot of important PDF books, a lot of nursing PDFs. I have a what if you have a beer wardrobe into a corner now wardrobe. We are midwife, Ubenabi, RGM, Ubenabi, RCM, Ubenabi, mental health, Ubenabi. Nakana, Ubia Benadi, I am fair. Some now we're passing to nursing successfully. Today's video is about scammers. Scammers. Let me tell you a little story about myself. Many years ago, I taught nursing form. I was school be Modi. Me call interview. Me buy. Me will answer. It'll be friend phone so. Say, who apply for school? We say when you admission, into no send me $100 cedis. Now me fa admission letter number. Your parents no the admission letter no call post office. Now package. Samra me need the air coso. Into me call me parents no. So woman is car. Now me fan Sunday sa nipa. Na yami ya madom and I'm susu which mind. And also no. And send this kabia enko. And check no and admission letter about post office na koji. But school crowd manko. If you say that doing nursing and midwifery training college, I send them admission da. Into no manko school now they apply me call doing on offer. Enti Senate here, what we interview out if you. Among for be from first Scabra, more admission. Among for them social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, some wow admission. Forget will be most of them no among legends. Ebi a wako school wako share security bi, wako share nursing tutor bi, so wow among admission. They make catch on the say, and for what dream because most of them no any legends. On be Sika Edi. Ebi mo charge a fee of 3,000, 4,000, even 10,000 Ghana cedis. And you know, forget those people. Now focus to say interview now occurring. Obe pass it. Made the obe time I'm pass it successfully. Though protocol ye pa se me kase ni ho na me boa. Nanso no enye ni na ye call nanso training ye the protocol e me catch out say I feel we mama apply amuni protocol bi ya nyamba bom na ma pass it. Nyamba bom na ma pass it. Woni sika and how se wo kwa tua protocol bi. Nyamba bo amwa pass it. Protocol na de me ka se ni ho na me boa e wo ho. Nanso nyagidie se interview na wo be pass it. Most of them are on the nursing training. And yet by protocol, and by merit base. That's a modern bono interview during your interview. And then certificate I call a WASI certificate no and a medical. And you know who good grades. Who good WASI grades. Now what's our bomb modern interview now? Come to you. Nanya GDA say or pass. Fampa what touch me, I mean, ya dear now. Me would GDA say obi biana pass. And to forget about protocol, and yes, sir, obi betu security. And then remu and pay for cancer me say, and your talk as a former day. Ubeba could see 5,000 Ghana cedis a more beauty. Na a channel, when admission. And Basana and you will have a fee. And the Jamaica chance said, come to you. Now forget it. Protocol be a Yamebe, I'm also obey professional nurse. Say yen be a na your parents and share niska. Nenso yetimia ko a pass yaba out successfully. Cecilia walk interview wofi. And answer fair about the cocrana, who ya, Ubebefi. Who fear the emotionally also financially because nursing school you share school fees every semester and after so failing admission fee in nursing school you two books semester beer books it makes of more parents now admission fee the baba money is kakra now money are school fees. Schools need to have part payment, that's the admission fee. You do have but most of the school no, you can pay part payment. That's the admission fee. What could remember being said, Yamibeye Ama, what you if you say a binary crowd, a tutor allowance in Kakra, Emma nursing student. And you know, when your admission fee. Na munya boost kakrana subsequent semesters no meaning say nyame peye ama what me be successfully intino me share say videos maye na mo ba share with your friends na mo share my channel with your friends na amanfo so etimi aba benefit na aboa me so mama ni anje say video da bia me na amanfo he me domina me person no pass it out successfully. Me person will be coming home. Hospitals, health centers, cheap compounds, nurses, midwives, bebree. When you go school more, my guide them. A quanya me fashion, I'm letting you pass it out successfully as a nurse. Mebwa na mama do sa pempenso we me mention ebia mo ban ko ebi bebree mo wasi certificate na man for send on de ebreme bebree de so first na me de bebree na me de so enhye da nye fe no metimi ba bedu sa pempen so we ya na chese mo betimi aba bedu sa pempen so we enti no mo ko school ma me chida mo technicalities mo betimi dia pass it out successfully I am a some now me guide them step by step. Topics are add down in my family. And no mudru hona. Make sure money na me breaking it down. I'm a martini na say. No martini I sell it our nursing school. Nursing school na I'm force adding. And yet then Obu ha Obama wonya guide. Into a baby drew the other say, were failing and also a dropping. Me nursing school, me now for be brave, and me angry, and I'm guide out of money. Ain't no, my family send me young to me guide them on, come say, obey nursing school successfully. Me, Mumuda, me domin